Here is the shed. It's nighttime, almost 8 o'clock, and we finished painting the door and up above in the play area. A nice desert reddish clay color. And then after that, the long-awaited moment of putting the slide on. The kids have been asking about it daily. They think the shed is finally done when the slide is on. So Eliza is the very first person.
Is it still recording?
To ever go down this slide.
First person, Liza.
Oh, Hiram, get down.
Why?
Because Liza will go and then you'll have a turn.
No, I want Mommy to catch me.
Mommy's got to record you though.
Okay, I'll catch
Hold on
ya.
to the side. Just hold on to the sides. And then you'll go slow. And you'll go slow.
Yeah, you'll go slow, Liza.
Hang on to the sides.
Mommy's right here. See, look. Whoa. Let go, Liza. You won't go fast. It'll be fun.
See?
That's not scary, huh?
Yeah. I want to go.
Okay, Hiram, climb on up.
And Rob's going to build a little cement thing to prop it up instead of all the wood. Okay, now it's going to be Hiram's turn. Hiram, be careful climbing that ladder. Will you go over there, Rob, and kind of make sure he's okay?
Yep.
We're going to have someone come and put a ladder and a railing up so they won't have to climb a ladder to get to the top.
I'm climbing up.
And on this wall there will be a rock climbing wall, but we're going to do that next year instead of this year. So then they can climb up here.
Get me.
I keep coughing because I swallowed like a peanut that went down the wrong
barely
tube.
got potty trained.
He did. And Ammon keeps eating rocks and sticks.
Don't get by the edge, okay, guys?
Okay.
Okay, come here, Hiram.
Okay, now it's Hiram's turn.
It's scary.
No, it's not scary.
Hold on to the sides tight so you won't go fast.
Liza did it. It's really fun.
I don't want to go.
Just hold on to the sides.
Really tight, and then you go slow.
Hold on. Here I go. See?
Good job, Hiram. Whee!
A little bit faster than you like.
You did it!
That was scary.
Was that fun, Hiram? No.
I like it.
You guys will
Your
like
turn.
it, I'm sure, over
I
time.
want to hit Hiram.
Okay, Hiram, watch out. Liza's coming now.
No, I don't want to go yet. I need to pull up my
Here's Ammon on the move, sticking
Okay, here
leaves
goes
and
Liza.
grass
She's
in his
gonna go
mouth.
faster this time.
Yeah, Liza's really not scared. Whee! Was that fun?
Yeah.
You want to go again, Hiram?
Do you want Daddy to
Here,
go
hit
with
me.
you?
I'll help Liza up again.
Yeah, I want Daddy to go with
Now it's Daddy's first time.
I want you to go with me.
Okay.
Oh, Liza, she's making me nervous, Rob, right there.
Liza, don't get by the edge, okay?
I want you to help me go.
Liza's going again. She's so brave.
Okay.
Whoa, look, she's going faster.
I could climb on that.
Here's Hiram going.
You know,
Hiram's always not wearing pants because he's getting
on the beans.
potty trained, so.
Okay, you want me to go with you?
Okay, Daddy and Hiram going together.
You sit there for a minute. Let Daddy get in here.
Can you fit?
You ready?
Whee! This long-awaited anticipation for this slide. Is that fun? Ammon Let's do a mouth check. Make sure you don't have something gross in there. Think we're good.
Here you go, Liza.
Liza's turn again. Whoa, that's your fastest time yet.